Well, I found a really good campsite. Plenty wide, plenty deep, and the girls can get out, roam around, and not get tied up in the rocks here. And Tuttle Creek is directly behind our rear end. We can walk right down to it. Let me show you. We can just walk down here. Right down to Tuttle Creek. It's pretty. Crystal clear mountain water. Tumbling waters. This is a huge area here. You can put your chair down, put your feet in the water, wade, play. Walk over here, you can see coming right out of the mountains. So yeah, another great campsite for the night, day or two. So, okay. Well, let's see. I don't know what time it is, but I haven't had breakfast and I'm hungry. The girls have had breakfast. You see our campsite's pretty big. Oh, Ember sees a bird. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I'm getting 4 bars up here on Verizon, so I can finish my videos up here in this beautiful territory. It just gets better and better. The flies right now aren't that bad. It's probably a little later in the season than I've been through here, but yeah, hell, I might stay here 4 days. You know, it's only $5 a night here for us old folks with their America the Great card or whatever that thing is. So shit, yeah. We're just gonna kick back and enjoy loving this weather and this territory. So, you guys want some more? It's Doggone RV'N. Check out our home page on YouTube. Check out our videos. We've been traveling since 2018. We've got over 300 videos all over the place. You'll be able to see my last 2 dogs I had for 15 years together. And I'm starting a new age with these 2 new pups, with many years of travel to come. Well, you got me doing some catch up. We've been out in the toolies, you might say, for quite a few days in canyons and stuff where you just can't get out, not even with my Verizon hotspot. So I've made about 6 videos that I have yet to post, and that's what I'm doing right now. I got to post them all, and then I got to put them together, probably two a week or more, to catch up to where we are presently. So I'm not so far behind. Anyway, presently we are at Tuttle Creek BLM Campgrounds, one of my favorite places here outside of Lone Pine. We just moved over here from about 5 days in a fantastic spot we found in Alabama Hills. And it's just been so nice, I didn't want to head towards Quartzsite yet. So we're here for at least 4 days. And we'll see what we feel like doing after that. But I'm doing all my videos here, getting them posted. I hope you guys will watch them because we've been to some pretty damn nice places. The weather since we left rainy Washington State has been nothing but sun and temperatures in the 70s and 80s. And we made it to Quartzsite, and it was in high 80s to 90, 91. I said, fuck, forget this. And we headed back up 395. And we're still up here, enjoying the weather, enjoying the scenery. Hell of a lot better than being down there in the flat Arizona Quartzsite desert. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. So, thank you guys for hanging in there and watching our videos. Please give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think of these videos that I'm upgrading now that you'll be watching soon. And, or have already watched by the time you see this. Who knows? Well, it's an early morning here at Tuttle Creek Campgrounds. The girls are out roaming around, having a good time, tying each other in knots. with the darn lines. But they're having fun. It's another beautiful morning here in the BLM campground, and I saw the sun brighten up the peaks of the Sierras, set them on fire almost. It looked like they were burning golden light. Well, I went into Lone Pine this morning to get some basics from the grocery store and go into one of the restaurants and have breakfast. When I got down there, everything was closed, and I didn't realize it till I went into the restaurant an hour later. Found out that, oh yeah, daylight savings time ended. I was an hour too soon. So I had a good breakfast at the Bonanza, and then I went to the one and only supermarket here and got some basics. And whoo boy, talk about prices. The boxes I thought were small back in the cities are half that size up here for as much as what you pay for them in the city. So you have to have deep pockets or be able to control your needs, or you're gonna go broke real fast. So, okay, well, the girls are acting fine. I spent the later part of today cleaning the RV out, totally repacking it, reorganizing it, putting things together that were in separate bundles. It's something I do all the time. And yeah, I still bring way too damn much stuff. I tell you, I'm just gonna have to start packing for a skeleton crew. You know what I mean? And I take so much stuff out of habit. So I'm gonna take enough for maybe a week, and then I'll buy stuff as I need it. It'll give me a chance to spread things out in the RV so they're easier to access for the things I need and use daily, and for the dogs. So yeah, live and learn. Well, Snowbird 3.0 next year will be even better from what I learned this time. And I've learned more from last time too. So each time is a learning environment. Here's a view of Tuttle Creek behind our campsites here on this side of the BLM Campgrounds. We'll walk up here and I'll show you some of the little areas behind some of these campgrounds here on this side. Here you can see Tuttle Creek coming out of the mountains down here, and somebody has created a little pool right here where you can pretty much sit in that up to waist deep and kind of cool out or sit on the rock. It's got the rock bulkhead here they've made. It doesn't allow the small fry to come up, and there are fish in this creek, but this is one of several areas that only certain campsites on this side have access to. Over there, the campsites are on the other side of a slight ravine that you can't see. But this is nice. You can sleep at night and hear the creek babbling all the way down to the valley. And there we are. As the river goes farther up, it gets heavily overgrown, and the access on either side to the creek is blocked by thick, sharp bushes. So it's nice to camp on this side. That's why I always do. And you can just walk along the edge here. You know, if you find a campsite, get out, walk behind it, see if it's got a nice trail down to the creek here that will give you access to some cool, bubbling water. That's what makes this place special to me. There it goes, down behind us and beyond. That's why I like this so far. It's great. The scenery's great. It's got an active bubbling creek going down it that you can cool off on a hot summer's day, and it just lulls you to sleep. So yeah, Tuttle Creek to me is a great BLM campground. I spent 4 or 5 days over in Alabama Hills, which is just a stone's throw to the north from here. Then come over here, camp a few more days right by the creek here, play in the creek, cool off, let the dogs go down, play in the creek, get some water, and it's fun for all. Well, it's a lazy afternoon here in Tuttle Creek Campgrounds, BLM. That sound you hear is the sound of Tuttle Creek, right behind our campsite, coming out of the mountains, dividing this huge BLM campgrounds in half. People can camp on either side, and many campsites have paths people have created down to the creek where you can sit, play in the stream, and some have pools deep enough that you can at least sit in and just cool off. So, if the dogs were here and not out playing, we'd all say, we wish you happy trails and woof woof. Catch you later.